boss, mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis ka kasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Baba ang lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malapro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modo sa ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakapit pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakat ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di with ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag ka mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasab ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na uli.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, dinako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Nilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaan naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas nila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gate, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan.
Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa larong ito ay bawal ang mahina. Kailangan matatag ka sa bawat pinapakita ng iyong angking galing. Sige sa laksakin hanggang sa iyong marating. Malapit na ang ring, hanggat hawak mo ang bola, sige lang itira. Mahaba pa ang oras, may natitira pang tsansa. Maging agresibo at samahan ng kumpiyansa. Dapat ay handa ka sa pinasok mo na liga.
Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Iyong ipakita kung gano'ng kagaling. Pag hawak na ang bola, siguradong may mararating. Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Kanilang makikita-kita kung gano'ng kakabangis pagdating sa ring.
Dito sa Velvet League, sagana sa liga, kaya ang mga kabataan bisyo lang ay bola, malayo sa droga. Dahil layunin namin dito ay magkaisa. Ang lahat ng kabataan na gustong mamulat sa ganitong klaseng laro, basta yung kanyang ginagawa ay galing sa puso. Marunong tumanggap ng pagkatalo't may respeto. Sa bawat manlalaro dyan pa lang ay panalo. Yan ang tunay na sinasabing aspeto. Ipakita ang natatanging galing at talino, at yung bilis na nanggagaling sa'yo mismo.
Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Iyong ipakita kung gano'ng kagaling. Pag hawak na ang bola, siguradong may mararating. Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Kanilang makikita-kita kung gano'ng kakabangis pagdating sa ring. Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Iyong ipakita kung gano'ng kagaling. Pag hawak na ang bola, siguradong may mararating. Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Kanilang makikita-kita kung gano'ng kakabangis pagdating sa ring.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa larong ito ay bawal ang mahina. Kailangan matatag ka sa bawat pinapakita ng iyong angking galing. Sige sa laksakin hanggang sa iyong marating. Malapit na ang ring, hanggat hawak mo ang bola, sige lang itira. Mahaba pa ang oras, may natitira pang tsansa. Maging agresibo at samahan ng kumpiyansa. Dapat ay handa ka sa pinasok mo na liga.
Kaya lika, iyong ipakita sa lahat kung gano'ng kakalupit tumipensa. Iyong ipakita kung gano'ng kagaling. Pag hawak na ang bola, siguradong may mararating. Kaya lika.
Hello, and now we're back for the second game of our Velvet D-League Season 2 Saturday schedule. Miggy C, kasama ko si Diego Vergel de Dios, covering the Impact Baller Squad going up against Arellano University High School. So far, we're 2 apiece. Arellano gets the board. Eto, Diego, yung labanan natin ngayon. Kanina, first game natin, club-based versus club-based. This time around, it's a club-based squad going up against a school-based squad.
Makikita mo na iba talaga yung approach ng mga club-based versus school-based. Makikita mo na yung teammates niyan, mas matagal na siguro magkakasama yung mga nasa school-based eh. So, tingnan natin kung makikita natin during the game yan.
As Arellano going hard to get that fast break attack.
Yeah, that's impressive. 3 to 4 seconds, he made a layup after a missed free throw.
At ayan na naman, nakaagaw. Arellano. 15, the jumper. Strong, 25 is there to clean it all up.
Yeah, you could see the sheer effort of Arellano. You could see their bench, they're already cheering eh. So yung energy, makikita mo na hindi talaga nawawala from this school.
As impact baller, this is the 17 and under division. Kanina, 15 under. Unfortunately, impact baller yung 15 under. Natalo. So this time around, 17 under division, they want to turn the tides around and at the same time, ibawi yung kanilang mga younger brothers.
Yeah, nakikita mo nga naman na yung deficit ngayon nasa 2 lang and medyo close game pa naman eh. So, umpisa pa lang kasi, yung strong start sobrang importante sa ganitong mga laro and nakikita mo yung impact baller team, yung mga kuya, hindi nila pinapayagan na magkaroon ng strong start yung kalaban nila katulad ng earlier game today.
And now it's a 7-4, Arellano with the lead. A 3-point lead. Pero this time around, impact baller with the possession, they could have the chance to cut the deficit into 1 or at least tie the game. Number 10, drives inside, nowhere to go, good defense. Pero kahit pa paano, kahit good defense, merong foul and that will result to Balea shooting 2 shots at the line.
Yeah, you saw the high screen and roll, hindi naging nag-work nung unang paraan pero naging patient siya, inantayin niya nagkaroon ng butas sa depensa at saka niya inatake. Kahit 3 yung sumabay, okay lang kasi may momentum naman siya from the 3-point line.
And Balea making the most on his free throw trip, 2 out of 2. Pero ito, quick trigger agad, Arellano missing. Number 9, layup will be deflected.
Nakikita mo yung Arellano, no? Nagulat ka ba na yung jerseys na nakakaiba? Parang New York Yankees, parang baseball, walang pangalan yung mga jerseys. Tagal ko na hindi nakakita ng ganun.
Pero ito kasi medyo in high school, medyo nakakita ko na maraming mga jerseys talaga na walang apelido.
Okay.
Yung San Beda High School din. Na baka mamaya yung team na makikita nating San Beda wala din jersey. Wala ding apelido dun sa kanilang jersey.
Tama.
So ito, number 9. Layup, uy, sayang lang. Pero one thing na napansin ko sa Arellano this quarter, medyo sila hot na hot sila in terms of offense. Medyo showtime din yung kanilang mga layup eh. Parang they really wanted to be a little bit fancy in this first frame.
Yeah, sometimes it can take a toll on you also kasi kung yung kalaban mo malakas, puro ka ganun, it will tally up. Kung you miss 4 easy layups and you lose by 6 points, you missed 8 points opportunity to win by 2 sana. So let's see if it will be effective for them for this ball game.
But a good find just could not complete itong impact baller. And now, Arellano with the basketball. There you go. Baseline drive. The layup will be deflected. And now, impact baller with a good defense on the other side. They will have a chance to generate a better offense on this side of the court.
Yeah, makikita mo yung Arellano nga, diba? Mas athletic sila and they run more. Pero yung impact, mababa sa depensa. So, yung opportunities nila hindi nagiging madali. Hindi yung parang 5-on-3 or 4-on-2. Kaya medyo close game pa tayo ngayon the first quarter.
Good defense coming from Arellano. Nasarahaduhan nila ng pinto yung baseline attack na impact baller. As a three-pointer will not fall. The men in blue will have another chance. Hesse, teardrop will trickle in.
Narinig mo yung coach nila right after the rebound. He was emphasizing to push the ball, and their point guard number 15 answered the call.
And now, Arellano with a 3-point lead. Pero impact baller, agad babawi with a 3-point field goal.
Yeah, that was a great swing in the zone defense. Talaga mas mabilis gumalaw pag pinapasa mo kaysa puro dribble, and proved to be an effective method.
Pero on the other hand, the lefty layup converts for the number 15 guard of Arellano.
To extricate himself in that defense, manufacture the 2 points.
Here, never giving up on the play, impact baller. Unfortunately for them, they could not make a conversion. On the other side, the fancy lay-in still will miss for Arellano. And yung underneath goal, wala pa rin. And here comes impact baller with an easy 2.
Yeah, yung Arellano masyadong binaby, nasa ilalim na ng ring. And so, it turned into easy 2 points for impact kasi walang nakababa talaga sa Arellano.
At ayan na naman, Arellano, I think they're playing too much with their food in this first quarter.
Yeah, it's a dangerous approach. I mean, I don't know if how strong they are, how think they're capable in gaining their momentum in the latter part of the game. But then, kung nakuha na nung kalaban yung rhythm, kahit gaano kalakas ka, tapos yung confidence nila tumataas din, mahirapan ka talaga na gawin mo yun pag you keep playing with your food.
Kumbaga, ilang beses na tayo nakakita ng, ng fancy layup galing sa kanila, tapos yung last play nila, hindi naman fancy layup, pero fancy pass, di ba? Yung ginawa ng Arellano, that resulted to a turnover and failed conversion. Pero here, at the same time, a fast break attack, binasic na lang ng Arellano.
Yun, finally, alam mo naman na that's the better approach. Ako rin, naglalaro pa ako ng basketball ng high school time. Talagang di ako mahilig sa mga fancy stuff. Di ko actually tinitrain na maging ganun eh. So, pag sa game, hindi ko rin ina-attempt eh. Kasi, pag tingnan mo naman yung points, yung assist, ganun pa rin naman eh. So, it's just for the highlights on the internet or on the
Alam mo
YouTube.
naman kasi sa era ngayon, Diego, may dagdag appeal yung style points. Walang dagdag yun sa points sa scoreboard, pero yung style points may dagdag sa social media.
Tama. Pero I don't know, for me, yung mga Jamorant kind of players, yun, pwede nilang gawin. Pero pag mga ganito, feeling ko, in my opinion lang, dapat i-lesson muna nila.
I think at a young age, they need to focus on getting the basics, diba?
Yeah,
Back to basics, kumbaga.
Yeah.
As number 8, soft touch. Might be a little strong on that time. 13 all. Impact baller with the basketball. Good break from him, kasi nawala yung bola sa kanya, pero na-foul. So ngayon, 2 shots at the line.
Yeah, you could see impact ballers, they're trying to run when it's right, but they don't run in every possession, and it's paying dividends in the first period. Kasi, alam mo, lamang sila ng 1 point, and kapag tinignan mo nung warm-ups, mas athletic yung Arellano, pero yung impact, they're playing smart, and they're playing through their strengths.
Kumbaga, impact ballers, they're not showing up, but they're just trying to get the job done. And yun, athleticism ng Arellano, gusto talaga nilang ipakita. Ayaw nila ng back to basics, ayaw nila ng fundamentals. Diba? Gusto nila highlight kung highlight, style points kung style points. At the other end, it could be big. It could be big kung nagawa ng Arellano yung dunk na yun. Pero unfortunately, bumalik sa kabila and nakascore pa impact ballers.
Yeah, you see yung impact ballers mas focusing on the intangibles, just going for the easy 2 points, and it's resulting into an early 3-point edge for them.
As Arellano still missing on the 3-pointer. Impact baller with a 3-point lead. Number 9 sneaks his way through, gets the basket, the foul, and a possible 3-point swing.
Yeah, you could see that they saw that there was no interior presence, and number 9 took advantage, went one-on-one against its defender, and went for the bang and the bucket.
Ayan, ang lupit eh. Kumonting sidestep, sneaks his way, gets the little bump off the glass, and a possible 3-point play for him. Unfortunately for Kit Dagil, hindi niya mako-complete yung kanyang magandang play na nagawa kanina. But bola babalik sa kanila. He has the basketball. Kit gives it to his teammate. Short stab to no avail. Arellano, stop, pops, 3-pointer will miss. Offensive board, makukuha nila. Okay, so it looks like number 12 shooting a 3-pointer, na foul siya doon, so it means 3 free throws para sa kanya.
Yeah, sa tingin ko dapat pinalampas na lang niya yun. I mean, yung Arellano, they haven't been scorching hot from long distance yet. And yeah, as evidenced by that free throw, medyo nahirapan pa sila in terms of their shooting. So, yung impact baller, dapat di na nila challenge ng ganun kalakas yung closeout. So, yeah. But then, it's still a positive outcome for them as 2 free throws missed by number 12 from Arellano.
And now, 18-13, Impact Baller still has the lead with under 2 minutes to play in the first frame. Tagle to 26. And good defensive stop by Arellano, forcing a turnover.
Yeah, pag nagpe-press ka, crucial yun na pagkatawid ng bola sa may guhit, dun ka magpe-pressure kasi yung may chance magka-backcourt violation din eh.
Sayang lang yun, yung 3-pointer ng Arellano just could not get the friendly bounce. And now, Dagil almost losing the basketball. He evaded 2 blue shirts, the bounce pass. The one-hander will miss. The second shot, ayaw pa rin. Third time's the charm, hindi. Fourth, no, sabi ng Arellano. Amin na to. And a free lane for Arellano. Ayun, sayang na naman. And that time around, yung Arellano, hindi na sila naging fancy doon. Talagang ano lang, unlucky break lang.
Yung mga gimmies talaga, hopefully it doesn't turn out to bite them. Kasi they've missed several in this first canto. And ayun nga, kaya nga sa tingin ko yung impact baller have a 4-point cushion because of those gimmies. Oh.
And a foul on that play. Number 12 will be committing that foul, but let's take a look at that deflection once again from Arellano. And now ito, number 2 of impact baller, Zaki Bacarizas, is at the line shooting 2 shots.
Makes the first.
19-14. Make the 20-14. 43.1 seconds remaining in the first period. Arellano goes to number 8. Attacks the middle. The bounce. The good pass resulting to a conversion.
Minsan ganoon din eh, no? Hindi na talaga fancy, hindi na binaba yung bola. Shoot na lang kaagad kasi 2 points pa rin naman eh. So nakita mo, that slices the deficit down to 4 markers.
So we're in eh. Makikita ulit natin with the replay. Number 8. Good find. And his teammate, hindi na nag-double clutch, hindi na kung ano ginawa. Just laid it up. And it's good. Arellano, the jumper will not fall for them. 12 seconds remaining.
Last shot time.
Yes, impact baller could end the first quarter with a bang. The 3-pointer, unfortunately, hindi gagawa ng ingay. Arellano, 1 second to work. And that's how we end the first frame. Impact baller having a 4-point lead against Arellano. Magbabalik kami.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet The League, maghahatid sa'yo.
Now back for more action here in the Velvet D-League Season 2. Pagbubukas pa lang ng second quarter. Impact Baller against Aureliano. Miggy C, kasama ko si Diego Vergel de Dios. Good block coming from Aureliano.
You can see from the 2-3 zone defense, umaangat yung center nga kasi nakalusot siya. Subpar defense and it resulted to a swat.
And almost a steal by Aureliano, somehow, some way. Impact Baller gets the underneath stab. Aureliano, underneath conversion, will miss. Battle for the rebound. Nakuha ng Aureliano and number 26, standing tall against all players, gets the putback.
Yeah, you could see the offensive rebound result to a quick trap here for Aureliano as they try to force a turnover, and they do.
So far, Aureliano in this second frame, punong-puno sila ng energy. And this time around, hindi na sila fancy or making or trying to show off. They're just trying to play basketball.
Tingin ko baka nabigyan ng wake-up call yan nung break nung first quarter. Tingnan mo, naka-4 na sunod na puntos na sila.
And now it's 22-20. Aureliano climbing back in the second quarter.
This 2-2-1 press being effective so far for Aureliano.
Now Dagil attacks, but a foul on Aureliano.
Sayang, the shot clock was winding down and Impact was in disarray, but they caught a break there with a foul.
Pero si number 33 ng Aureliano, that was a good defense. Kasi kahit pa paano, na-predict niya kung saan pupunta si Kit Dagil on that time.
Unfortunate lang.
Nakuha, nabigyan niya ng foul eh. Now, the shot clock resets.
It's down to 6.
To 14, but down to 5. And the short stop works once again for Impact Ballers. 22-11. Open. Could not make them pay. Dagil. Forward pass. Number 6 finds his teammate. Somehow, nabalik sa kanya. Magmimintis sa 3. Put back off. Impact Baller is no good. 35. Quick release. 3 strong.
You could see that Aureliano's really trying to manufacture shots early in the shot clock, whether it's a layup or a three-pointer. And that's their style of play, and they're still trying to catch the rhythm because they want more possessions. If you run the ball, you'll get more possessions, and they're trying to still nail those shots.
Number 11, designated passer. Fortunately, passes telegraph. And now, Impact Baller escapes, gets the fast break attack. 26-20. 11-26. Number 11. Another telegraph pass. And Impact Baller secures the defensive stop. And on the other side, they get the fast break layup with the foul.
Makikita mo na ganun talaga pag nagka-force na turnover, you always need to look up. Kasi minsan ang mga guards or mga bigs, gusto nila dribble kagad. But here you could see that he looked up, he saw his teammate, and then when you see a one-on-one opportunity, you really need to attack it ferociously because you have the momentum. Pag sumabay yung defender, most probably either masushoot mo or yun, and one opportunity pa for Impact Baller.
And so far, Impact Baller, they still cling on to that momentum. 29-20 in the second quarter.
Oh.
Nagpaparamdam tong Arellano dito sa ating second period, pero yung Impact Ballers, talagang hindi lang sila natitinag. They're relentless on those offensive rebounds, defense, and somehow sila pa rin yung may lamang.
Makikita mo like in that opportunity, it's a loose ball foul on Tagle, pero makikita mo na talagang he was fighting for it kahit tatlo na yung blue jerseys. He still tried to find a way to grab that ball. Turnover by Arellano on that juncture.
And now, Impact Baller. Eye in the sky play pass will be a bit strong for them.
Quick inbound by Arellano. Talagang gusto nila mabilisan ng laro.
I was able to cover the 15 under squad of Arellano, and safe to say yung kanilang tempo parang LBDL din, quick offense din sila. Yung 15 under ng Arellano, siguro sa 17 under division nila medyo ganun din naman yung kahit pa paano nagiging foundation ng kanilang opensa.
Yep, for sure. Mukhang nakikita natin yan, pero hindi pa nagiging effective, so maybe they need to make minor adjustments to that heading into the latter part of his game.
Uy! Mawawala sa bola. Mawawala yung bola sa Impact Baller, and this is a free lane. Easy layup for Arellano.
Nakita mo na intangibles na yun. Basic na lang. Shoot the 2 points, hindi na go for the dunk or hindi na offhand layup. Kailangan na nila yung basic kasi nalalamangan na sila. Close to double digits na yun So, timeout by Impact Baller. And we'll be back after the short break.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan sa larangan ng
Back for more second quarter action. 4:32 remaining before halftime. Impact Baller agad sasagot with that lay-in from number 10.
Nakita mo off a timeout, may play kagad na dinraw up yung coach and it resulted to that outcome.
On the other side, Arellano will get their points in the free throw line. Big man number 26, standing tall, will shoot at the line.
Arellano struggling from perimeter shots or shots from behind the arc, and now they're trying to alter their approach a bit and inatake nila yung gitna kasi nga naka-zone rin tong Impact Baller.
And that's another way to attack the zone defense. Hindi lang puro tres. So you could attack the middle, find the big man at the maybe free throw line, and dun mag-break, magko-collapse yung zone defense.
Pag maganda yung initiator mo sa gitna, hindi mo kailangan point guard. It will result to a ton of baskets for your
But the
team.
step through of Arellano missing on that time. Number 10, the drop off. Mababasa ni number 20 ng Arellano, pero lucky break for them as the ball will be back to the side of Impact Ballers.
Makikita mo nga that they're feeding off the energy of, I think, their other team that played earlier, yung Impact Baller, cheering on the side.
The corner three hits with that little celebration after the end for Impact Baller.
Yeah, kita mo yung inbounder. Sometimes they're the most dangerous person in the play, and naiiwan nga dahil nga naka-zone defense, and it resulted to a 3. Pero nakabawi naman yung Arellano. Now going to a press.
And he gets the steal. The lay-in will work. And now it's back once again to single digits, 36-28.
This is a 2-2-1 press eh. So, dapat ang objective ng impact baller, dali nila sa gitna yung bola. Whether good passer, whether forward or center. Tapos push na nila forward. Di na kailangan masyado mag-dribble with a zone press like that.
Tagle. Against number 2. Finds his teammate. The 3. Strong on that time. Fake. Good. Deflection. Coming. From impact baller. And the wraparound escape. Sayang lang.
John Wall type of layup yun ah.
And ngayon pagkakataon to second quarter, impact baller naman yung medyo pumapansi this time around. Hindi lang fancy, may celebration pa sila kanina eh.
Kaya nga eh. Pero yun, may consequence to eh. Naka 2 points yung Arellano na easy basket without any defense.
Kaya ngayon so far, story of our game, the second game is, you need just to keep it basic. Basicin mo lang yung galaw, hindi mo kailangan pumansi, hindi mo kailangan rumap around, step through, di ba? You just need to convert the layup, di ba?
Yup, and you see now Arellano's play more as a team. Look at their defense. Now, wow, but then impact baller is still able to make a basket.
Yes, their point guard kissing it off the glass to score. Meanwhile, Arellano getting a foul once again, 35, shooting 2 shots at the line.
Yung Arellano, kahit nakashoot yung impact baller with that floater from the mid-range, hindi na inisip na na-shootan sila talagang bago pa makaset yung impact. Pinush na nila. I think they attempted a shot in a span of 3 seconds.
And they get the offensive miss. And number 78 completes that putback. Tagle breaking the press. Finds number 11. Eye in the sky play. Sayang lang. 35 with the basketball. No hesitation. 3. Short. Somehow, number 22 finds the rebound, gets the putback and the foul.
As you could see from Arellano, they've gotten to the deficit, and the main factor for that is yung defense nila. Iniiba nila yung pace na laro. Yung impact baller, since kanina mas patient and mas composed sila, pinipilit nila through the press na to shoot early in the shot clock, whether ma-shoot or hindi. Tapos sila babawi sila habang hindi nakaset yung defense ng impact baller. Kaya build them a 1-point lead.
At ganun-ganun lang, balik na sa Arellano yung kalamangan. Impact baller will have the possession once again. 14 seconds sa kanilang shot clock. Quick release, jumper, bit strong. Somehow, 72 gets the foul, the bucket, and a possible 3-point swing.
Nakikita mo na hinampas pa niya yung arm niya kasi doon siya hinampas na defender. Talagang pinakita niya na end one talaga yun. Sana ma-convert niya yung free throw. At hindi niya nagawa yun.
35. On the loose. Sayang lang. The layup, the end time. Arellano missing the layup in this game.
Pressure defense again.
And Arellano, fast break attack, 3v1. This time around, magagawa nila. Ma-shoot yung basket, ma-shoot yung bola sa basket. Uy.
See yung possession na yun, doon mo talaga makikita Miggy nga, talagang yung Arellano, pinipilit yung impact na mag-attempt. And yun, kahit easy layup, miss eh. So now Arellano gets the ball back agad and they'll try to shoot again. And they do.
Number 26, what a move. Nakuha niya yung bola sa free throw line. Backs down. Kisses it off the glass for that quick basket. And now, shot clock is down. 7 seconds to work. Impact baller scores underneath. To win. Ball won't count. As we go to the halftime, Arellano getting back the lead once again, 43-36. against Impact Baller 42. We'll be going to a half-time break.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang natatangi mo na galing. Ito ang Velvet Delete, maghahatid sa'yo sa daan na matuwid. Kaya halina, ipasa na ang bola. At bago mo itira, dapat ay kumpiyansa. Ito'y makakatulong sa pisikal at mentalidad, lalo sa mga kabataang may abilidad. Layunin ng Velvet Delete ay makapagbigay ng magandang halimbawa sa komunidad at mga bata.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa larong ito ay bawal ang mahina. Kailangan matatag ka sa bawat pinapakita ng iyong aking galing. Sige, salaksakin hanggang sa iyong marating. Malapit na ang ring, hanggat hawak mo ang bola, sige lang itira. Mahaba pa ang oras, may natitira pang tsansa. Maging agresibo at samahan ng kumpiyansa. Dapat ay handa ka sa pinasok mo na liga.
Kaya liga.
Now, third quarter begins here in the Velvet D-League Season 2. Miggy C, kasama ko si Diego Vergel de Dios, covering this game of Arellano versus Impact Baller, the 17 and under division here in our league. So far, Diego, first half natin, tale of two quarters. First quarter nakuha ng Impact Baller yon. Second quarter round, Arellano coming alive, and at the same time, hindi na sila naging showtime eh. Binasic na lang nila and getting the job done.
Makikita mo naman yung Arellano nga. As I mentioned earlier, sila yung mas athletic na team, and they focused more on the defensive end. They forced a ton of turnovers in the second quarter, and it resulted to easier layups, and that cut down the deficit and even gave them the lead with 1 point lead now, with 2 point lead with 9:36 left in the third quarter.
44-42, and a steal once again by Arellano, number 16. What a move, but won't result to a basket. Tagle, bounce pass to 30, drives right, spin, nowhere to go, finds Tagle, fakes, step back 3. No good. 71. Finds his cutting teammate. Breakaway 2.
Ganun talaga. Pag nag-drive ang teammate mo, dapat pumunta ka sa open spot. Kasi doon ka niya mahahanap. And talagang when you're up, looking up at the point guard, that's when you'll give it up. And it will result to an easy 2 points.
Good pass coming from the point guard, number 71. But this time around, in Impact Baller's offense, may matatawagan ng foul, and I believe it's number 16 of Arellano.
Kaya makikita natin mga adjustments ng Impact Baller kasi nawala na nga yung lamang nila, and yung approach nila kanina na set play, high pick and roll, attack on the sides, medyo nakuha niya eh. So, now let's see how they'll try to alter it a bit. Kasi nga yung Arellano ay naka-adjust na dun sa strategy nila na yun.
11 to 10. Tagle, open. Will miss. 71. Forward pass. Nasobrahan sa forward yung kanyang forward pass.
Tama yung intention niya.
Tama.
Nakita niya yung open shot eh. Pero wag lang madali. Kaya napalakas yung pasa niya na yun.
And good deflection by Arellano. Deflecting the shot of the cutting pass of Impact Baller. As number 2, the corner 3 falls for him.
That's the lesson. Pag binigay ng referee yung bola sa inbounder, tumingin ka na agad. Kasi na-open yung unang pinasaan pa lang.
As number 16, almost losing the basketball, finds his teammate at the corner. 72, gets the rebound for Impact Baller. And now, Arellano only with a 1-point lead. Number 2 to 10. Finds his teammate. Nice pass. Good connection coming from the two players of Impact Baller.
Yeah, you could see in that possession that Arellano was confused under defensive schemes. Kaya it was inevitable na magkakaroon ng open shot for Impact.
And the step through, one-hander falls for number 9. Was it a double foul on this previous play?
Yeah, I think after the made basket, nagkagirian lang ng konti. Yung referee's calling it tight para walang mangyaring extracurricular activities sa ganitong intense na laro na 1 point lang ang bagitan ng dalawang kokonan.
Kumbaga, I think number 16 and the player from Impact Baller, merong budding bromance sila dun sa underneath sa shaded lane. That's why referees had to call it. Now action continues. Impact Ballers with the basketball. The crossover to 11. Wow, what a pass!
You could see the huge hole, gaping hole in the zone defense. One of their players cut through that and it was a quick find by Impact Baller to regain the lead.
Sinasabi natin kanina, Diego, na pag club-based versus school-based yung labanan, parang isa sa mga makikita nating baka disparity is, aside from the preparation, is their chemistry. Kasi mas matagal magkasama yung school-based squad. Pero this time around, especially in the third frame, yung Impact Ballers, a club-based squad, ang gaganda ng mga pasa na hahanap nila yung kanilang mga kakampi right on their pocket.
We can both admit mali yung assessment natin ng warm-ups and early in the game. And Impact siguro, they do a lot of extra work and maybe they train more than the usual club teams. Kaya it's been very obvious in this contest today.
Yes, as Arellano missing on that lane. Yung Impact Ballers, grabe yung kanilang chemistry. Maybe hindi man tayo mali na assessment. Sadyang outlier lang sila with their super chemistry. Baka hindi natin alam tabi-tabi lang din yung bahay nila, ganun.
Totoo yan. Sometimes ngayon in this generation of basketball, hindi na uso kung yung coach lang, yung team training yun lang gagawin mo eh. Madami lang nag-extra work ngayon, strength and conditioning, watching film, so maybe these guys do it. That's why they're pretty tight-knit team.
Yes, Stagle drives left, finds his teammate once again. But that time around, number 28, nagkamali siya ng step sa TikTok.
Oo nga, dapat pag ganun kasi, go straight up ka na. Nag-isip, he thought twice pa kung shoot niya kasi may tao sa harap mo eh. So kahit ma-block nga, bola nyo pa rin. Kaysa turnover, automatic bola na ng kalaban.
Number 9 to 22. Arellano swinging the basketball, finds their big man. Goes to number 9. Corner shot, rather left wing shot to no avail. 16. Offensive board, the big boy move will not connect. But number 70, if I'm not mistaken, will get a chance at the line to shoot, or rather 78 will get the chance at the line to shoot two more shots.
Yeah, you could see medyo stagnant yung offensive set no ng Arellano, kaya it was a questionable shot, but their hustle and their determination to grab the offensive rebound paid dividends for their team.
Number 9 will miss. 78. Ayan na naman po siya. Gets the offensive board and the stick back to clean it all up.
You could see now different kind of press for Arellano. Medyo man-to-man naman kumpara sa 2-2-1 na tinakbo nila nung first half. It's a different look for impact baller. Kasi syempre pag tawid ng bola, iba pag man-to-man, iba rin pag zone press.
Tagle with the basketball. Fakes, drops it up. And a case of a little bit of too much overpassing for impact baller.
Napansin ko din tao-tao, nagman ng Arellano in that possession. So maybe it caught the impact baller off guard.
Number 9, quick release. Jumper at the right corner will work. Impact baller once again with the basketball. Tagle drives hard and gets the basket.
You can see he rejected the screen. It caused the defense to guess on what he'll do when he rejected the screen, which resulted to the layup.
Pero that's the second time around an Arellano player hitting a basket on that mid-range right wing to right corner. Impact baller missing on their possession. Number 9 kicks it out. 22, not afraid, gets the 3-point basket.
When there's two players on the same corner side, there's only one player in the zone defense, and Arellano made them pay as the guy there couldn't defend both individuals.
And now Arellano 60-54 against Impact Baller there. Now they have a 6-point lead against the men in gray. Tagle will not get the basket. Even na-release niya yun on time.
Yeah, it's a fantastic defense by Arellano. Yung shot clock, naubos na, and it's still has 2 players on the guy who attempted the shot, which caused him to miss it by a mile.
28-22. Turnaround shot will miss for Arellano.
Sayang na miss niya yung cutter sa gitna eh. He had a mindset to shoot kagad. Then bawi na lang sa depensa para sa Arellano.
Now Impact Baller, they're now down by 6 points. 60-54. 2:05 remaining in the third frame. Number 8, one dribble floater will miss. And now Arellano gets the basketball. 35 once again gets the fast break attack.
You can see the defense was too late to the show. Arellano saw it, took advantage. Now it's an 8-point cushion for their school.
Arellano nagbabadya. Palaking palalo yung kanilang kalamangan. Meanwhile, Impact Baller, they need to cut this deficit. 26, floater. Will not drop. Battle for the second chance. Somehow, number 10 gets it.
Kita mo kahit 8 yung lamang ng Arellano, yung mga coaches nila ay talagang sinasabihan sila na mag-box out kasi nga yung Impact, they didn't have a great positioning in that play, but they still managed to grab the rebound.
Number 71 will not get the 100 to fall. Number 8 drives. Strong move. Kaso, nakita siya ng referee doon. Lumipad siya without passport. Traveling tuloy.
Kaya pala siya nakashoot eh. Kasi may ginawa pala siyang illegal sa possession na yun.
na ano lang siya doon. Nahuli lang siya on that time. Maybe getting ahead of himself on that play. Medyo napaaga yung kanyang footwork on that time. Pero at this time around, Arellano will have another chance. Pero yun, good pass at the middle. Nobody's home. Kaya number 28 scores that nose wet basket.
Oo, mukhang nahirapan na yung Impact with their limited depth. Kasi naubusan sila ng energy ngayon Third quarter, Arellano's scoring many early baskets in their shot clock. It's back to a double-digit lead.
And somehow, some way, Impact Baller cuts the deficit to 8. Pero 35, agad sasagot. At posible pang lumaki yung kalamangan ng Arellano with that N1 play.
Tama nga yung mga sinasabi. Like, napakinggan ko sa isang interview before na si Tyler Teo from Phoenix. Sabi niya, pagka inbound pa lang, titignan mo na agad yung pitch pass, baseball pitch pass. And that opportunity, it's an easy layup for number 35.
Sayang lang dahil hindi niya na-complete, pero this time around, Impact Ballers, 3 seconds to shoot. And number 71 will be blocked by number 8. And we end the third quarter, 66-56. Arellano up ahead against Impact Baller. Will go into a short break.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang...
Fourth quarter of action begins. Arellano versus Impact Baller. Arellano getting a good third quarter. Kaya double digits na yung kanilang kalamangan.
That's right, Miggy. And now they have possession and trying to increase the lead. And nice shot. Nope.
Nice shot. Di lang na-convert. Yeah. Way off.
Way off, way off. Now they're back to a man-to-man press. And
but suddenly, it looks like a turnover or maybe...
Yeah, inbound violation, I believe.
Which means unlucky break for Impact Ballers. They will give another opportunity for Arellano to score and embiggen their lead.
You could see the play of Arellano is a quick shot under the rim. It resulted to a foul.
Number 12 fakes, drops it up. The bounce pass will go back to number 12. 15 drives the middle. Finds his teammate somehow. Third chance for Arellano. Gets it.
Yun nga, sa zone talagang yung butas na sa gitna. Pero yun lang yung initial pass eh. So yun nakita mo na parang yung drop pass. Yun yung talagang to complete the possession and the easy basket. And then Arellano.
Oh, that tagle, sorry. Tagle yung handles niya. Talagang napunta sa skates yung kanyang bantay at that time. As he fires a 3. Gets somehow the highlight to work for him.
The highlight was completed. Yun yung importante. Pag na-ankle break mo yung tao, naalala lang pag na-shoot mo eh.
Oo. Kaya na-complete niya. Hindi naman agad immediately after that crossover play. Pero napaunya din lahat ng tao dito eh. So, kahit pa paano magandang highlight din yun. Maganda din i-clip yan after the game for him.
Tingin ko, panunurin niya yan mamaya pag-uwi. Babakita niya pa sa parents niya tsaka sa mga kaibigan niya.
Yan, Ma, look, I put someone on skates.
Oo. Kasi nga, it doesn't happen every day.
As Impact Ballers gets the rebound. That time around, number 20. Bit too aggressive on defense, will be called for a foul.
Yeah, sayang yun. Pag nagbigay ka talaga ng fouls in the backcourt, it accumulates in your team fouls. It can be a reason why you'll be in the penalty early.
Astagle finds Paez. Short stab will remain short. As number 15 ahead of the pack. Masyadong malakas yung pasa. Somehow, they save the basketball. Number 12, open 3. No. But look at Arellano skying high for the rebound. Another chance, 26. Ayaw pa rin. Isa pang pagkakataon. And they will convert the basket.
Napapansin na nga natin na yung Arellano showing why they want this game more in the second half.
As Impact Baller, medyo nahihirapan talaga sila to break down this defense. The 3 ball will miss.
Arellano knows that the pace that they want to play in the second half, hindi matapatan ng Impact Baller kahit na lamang sila nung first half. Kaya tinutuloy-tuloy na lang nila. Kasi yung Impact Baller ngayon, nakikita mo sa offensive rebounds, yun yung na-exploit na weakness ng Arellano.
Maybe the energy. Yung energy ng Arellano, hindi nila matapatan. At the same time, syempre, Impact Baller. Yung yung sa kanila on their side, they weren't able really to sustain yung kanilang good performance onto that first frame. Like, they do have some good runs, especially like Tagle making a highlight play a while ago, yung good passing nila onto the third. But this time around, they need to string a lot of that effort into this last 6 and 18 of the fourth quarter.
May kumbiyansa talaga rin itong Arellano na yung run and gun mag-work kasi dami nila pampalit kumpara dun sa kalaban nila.
As Arellano's corner 3, won't avail. Pero somehow, 29 gets the steal. And the quick trigger from the free throw line is a miss. Tagle with the basketball. Spin move! Wow! That's a highlight play na naman para kay Tagle. Siguro talaga pagbalik after this game, 2 beses na siyang maghahanap ng kanyang highlight play.
Oo, naka-timestamp na yan. Pag ito yung mark na kailangan ko panoorin kasi talagang may future yung bata na may handle siya, may scoring ability. Just the maturity, syempre sa mga bata pa lang, kailangan ma-sustain yung ganun. And I can see na may potential siya to reach his dreams watching him here at the Velvet D-League.
Tsaka grabe siya strong drive eh. Alam niya kung ano yung kailangan niyang gawin. On that play, it was a series of fantastic decisions like the spin move, the double clutch layup para kahit pa paano mapagpag yung depensa ng sa harap niya na. So it was really a good play coming from Tagle.
Oo, hindi lang brilliant decision yun. Quick decision din. Kasi yung depensa talaga na nandun na kaagad eh. So naisip niyang iwasan.
Now, guess he could be the man at the moment for Impact Baller and might be the key for them to come back in this game. Tagle picks up his dribble, nowhere to go, finds his teammate. The bounce pass, number 11, medyo nabitin yung Pectus on that play. 37 inside, kicks it out, 27. Daylight could not make them pay.
Makita mo, naka-double team na si Tagle nung possession ng Impact Baller. Alam na nila kung ano yung kakayanan niya at this juncture of the match.
Sabi ng mga Arellano boys, tama na, 2 beses mo na kaming hinighlightan. Di na pwede yan.
Kasi 9-point deficit lang to, kaya pa, 5 minutes pa.
Yes, as number 15, evading, winusiwas yung bola pero magmimintes on that play. Second chance opportunity. will still be up for grabs for Arellano as bola babalik sa kanila.
Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang sheer effort ng Arellano sa pagkuha ng bola. It's another possession for them even with a missed opportunity earlier.
And shot clock is at 14. Still some good time. Still plenty of time to manufacture a shot for Arellano. Number 10. Pero maagawan, Impact Baller on the move. Number 10 gets the basket and the foul.
It's fantastic. Yung Arellano nga, hindi pa sila sure kung anong play tatakboy nila nung inbound kasi di alam sa ni inbound. And Impact Baller took advantage of that because they were in disarray and it resulted to an end-one opportunity for Impact.
Redrich Balea missing on the 3-point opportunity. But somehow, at least, yung good sign dun, it's only a 7-point lead for Arellano. 4-16 in the fourth.
Gandang defense yun kasi nakita nga nila na may butas sa gitna pero since alam ng Impact na mas maliit yung center nila, sinundutan niya and he was able to deflect it off the big man of Arellano.
Quick hands coming from Impact Ballers. That's why they have another chance to cut this deficit. Tagle goes to Balea. Crossing his defender. The top drive somehow works for him.
Going ISO mode si Balea, na 5 points na ata siya in this fourth.
Arellano, 78. Cross-court pass. Baseline one-hander falls for Arellano.
It's a dangerous pass, but it resulted to 2 points, so no doubts anymore for their team.
Balea fakes, goes with the pass, gets his teammate for the 2. 15, Hesi, step through, finds his teammate, corner shot, will miss. Another chance, will work. At nakuha niya yung offensive rebound. Mind you, he's the smallest man on the floor. Or second to the smallest man on the floor.
It's evidence that rebounds, a ton of it's about effort and the desire to win games.
Astagle, nowhere to go, finds Balea. Fakes, drives inside. That time will not make the basket, but he will get a foul. 2 shots para sa kanya.
Down 7 with 2 and change left. You can see that they're finding ways to limit the clock and still tally on point in order to cut into the deficit. So that's a brilliant move by Balea.
First one is good for Redrich Balea. So far, siya yung parang naging Robin dito sa fourth quarter for Impact Ballers, while si Tagle naman yung main man for them. 27. Corner shot will miss. Number 37 on the other hand, ayaw pa rin. 76-70, 2:20 remaining at the fourth. Tagle, titira sa 3, magmimintis. 15 with the basketball behind the back. He will be guarded by Balea. Redrich, good defense. Maaagawan nila. Impact Ballers on the move. The layup works. Balea converts over the outstretched arms of number 37.
Ang ganda ng defensive Balea nun. He can contribute on both ends and you can see he's still pressuring now with 1 and change left.
As 27, the 3, ayaw pa rin. That's the end time. Nagmintis siya from that left corner. And now Tagle on the run. Steps off the break. Finds number 6. Hindi maihiya. Short nga lang yung 3. Number 11 will miss. Somehow Paez gets it up once again. Now it's only a 2-point lead for Arellano.
Yeah,
with 1:20 in the fourth.
Their bench is pumped up now, chanting defense and standing up. We're here for a fun one.
Pero ito, Arellano magmiminti sa 3. And now Balea on the move. Acrobatic shot, gets the basket to tie this game. 76 apiece. And now Arellano University will call some time.
Sa laro, wag mong isipin na palaging baguhan. Palagi mong isipin na kailangang galingan. Ipakita mo ang iyong kakayahan. Sa larangan ng liga, dapat malakas ang katawan. Dahil sa...
With 1:05 remaining in the fourth, the battle of Arellano versus Impact Baller. We're tied with 76 apiece. Miggy C, kasama ko si Diego Vergel de Dios. Diego, medyo rare pag yung match up club base versus school base. Yung club base definitely yung nasa other or underdogs at sa matchup na yun. Pero this time around, Impact Ballers tabla sila with Arellano, and we are up for a thriller ending.
Of course. We're here to see crucial possession, turnover.
At ayun na naman, Balea steps off the brakes. Biglang jumper, magmimintes. Number 16 gets the rebound. 15 to 9. No hesitation, 3. Strong. Arellano with another chance. The spin move loses the basketball. Battle for the loose ball. Impact Baller secures it. And now they're on the run. A steal by number 15. 25 seconds. In this quarter, 15. No whistle. Tagle secures the basketball. 16 seconds to shoot. Tagle telling his troops. Magmimintas yung tres. And now number 9, 4 seconds to shoot. Arellano. The inside score is good at the buzzer. What was that?
That was a fantastic finish here at the Velvet D-League. That was a quick shot by Tagle. Could have just settled for the last shot. It's a questionable shot, but it resulted to a semi-transition game
number
winner.
Number 9 finds the right teammate, right place at the right time for number 15 to nail that buzzer beater of a one-hander. And we can see yung ating shot clock sa taas. Hindi pa pumupunta sa zero yun. So sobrang, and it really looked clean. Yun. Yung sa taas, titignan natin, nasa shot clock, as yung scoreboard natin, nasa zero na eh. Pero yung sa taas, it really looked clean. And oh boy, Arellano just escaping against this top Impact Baller squad of the 17 and under division.
Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ito ang liga, ito ang liga, ito ang liga. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Ipakita mo, ipakita mo, ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin.
Ipakita mo ang kaya mong gawin. Huwag kang matakot na ito ay harapin. Dahil ang tunay na bida dito ay ikaw pa rin. Ilabas mo ang...
So
So, with that game winner, alam ko na humabol yung team nyo. Congratulations on the win. Like, paano nyo na stave off yung comeback ng kalaban? Kasi composed pa rin kayo nung final possession. Medyo semi-fast break and na-convert nyo nga yun na para mapanalo to.
Siyempre po, nagtiwala na po kami sa mga teammate po namin. Sa isa't isa po, sa coaches din po. Ayun lang.
So yung pagtitiwala na yun, paano nyo na-develop yun throughout this tournament na talagang mas dumadami pa yung laro nyo na magkakasama kayo?
Sa training po namin nakuha yung pagiging pagka-close po namin sa isa't isa.
Ano mga ginagawa nyo nga sa training para ma-develop
Siyempre po,
yung trust?
hard work po, gano'n. Tapos, siyempre po, hindi mo nawawala yung kulitan.
Kasi ikaw, may mga gusto ka bang batiin sa after this pulsating win?
Shoutout po sa mama ko and papa ko. And sa girlfriend ko pa nanonood.
Okay, so congratulations ulit and congrats to the Arellano team for winning this game.
Thank you po.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you, thank you.